Good morning, everyone. Today we show you the latest stock, 2020 Hunan 63-meter pump. Now is in our yard. Here, this is our yard, and there's so many pumps here. But today we just recommend you this pump, Hunan 63-meter pump. To check out everything in original condition, we just take it back from the job site. Everything and original good condition. And now you can see this nameplate. Just to show, this is 2000. The production year is 2000 December, 19 December, and the model is the 63-meter. And this is original condition. Everything is original and perfect condition. And this is the electronic board and the electronic box. Everything and perfect condition. And we can say this pump is just finished its function fixed. Everything is just right time to work and make money for you, make profit for you. And 63-meter, 7 boom sections. And can show more details to you, more details. Everywhere, original condition. The last owner is very professional and do right maintenance for this pump. And now this good pump with a good new owner and for the new work. This is back. And we also do some cleaning for this elbow, 2 elbows and inside. And inside we also finish the cleaning. And also go to in this side, All of the boom sections, no any crack, no any oil leakage in the cylinder. Really good pump. If you have real demand, just this is a good solution for you for the long boom pump. This is the multi-way hydraulic valves. No any leakage and very clean. You can see this area also very clean. And Euro 5. And inside you can see the engine, no any leakage, very clean, very tidy. Okay, today we just show you the fixed status. If you need this pump, you can give you any request. We can open the boom and test the boom, test the pump, test the engine, everything no problem because it's in our yard. Okay, so just wait for your request and hope you will be the new owner of this good pump. Thank you very much.